Today we have a Sterling truck with the big CUMMINS under the hood. Broke down on the side of the road, and as you can see, it's loaded. Yes, truck was climbing up the hill, and after talking to the driver, he said it just shut it down, like someone just turned the ignition off. As you can see, we have a full box of nice crash, and he managed to get truck off the road, park it, and now it's sitting here. Unfortunately, I don't have any service repair information for the truck at the moment. I'm just taking my first look, get a direction, and then we can trace the issue based on what we can figure it out right now. Yeah, and I will fast forward, show you what I already did and how I found the problem. Well, 80% of any repair job is research. You have to know your circuit, your problem. Yeah, but we have to confirm the issue, get a direction, and figure things out. Yeah, I just was asked to take a quick look of this truck, yeah, and see what we can find. We only have half an hour max before going to another job. Yeah, let's see what we can find. And it's always interesting, you never know what was wrong. And yeah, anyway, let's see. First, as usual, let's confirm the issue. Here's our ignition switch. Here's our push start button. Sorry for glare. Sun is up, facing us. Okay, before cranking, we have to take a look at the instrument cluster on the dash, and we're looking while cranking for tachometer to bounce back and forth. Tachometer signal, make sure we have that, and also make sure our computer is alive. We'll see here some engine warning, engine stop messages. That means our computer is awake. Sorry for the glare. I'm going to turn the key to the on position, and you should see the engine warning light. Yeah, stop engine, engine warning light. Good, our computer is alive. Next thing, let's turn it off for now. We're looking for the tachometer response. While cranking, it will start bouncing. We're looking for roughly 500-600 RPM. See if we are getting a tach signal. Okay, now I'm going to turn the key to the on start position, press the button, and crank it. Clutch in. There we go. Let's see. Watch the tachometer. See? No tachometer signal. What is telling me? We're not getting a signal from the cam crank gear when to fire the injectors. That's a problem. Let's do one more time. Watch the tachometer. Nothing. We are not having a tach signal, and computer doesn't know when to fire the injectors. What if you have a tachometer signal and truck doesn't start? Let me show you some basic, very easy checks. Okay, get up, and I also pull this air filter housing up a little bit to get access to the fuel shut-off solenoid. And our pump is down right there. And over there, our timing position sensor. For the test, we need a simple test light. Let's connect test light to the non-good ground. I know my test light works. When it finds the power, it will light up. Here's the starter relay. Let's go and turn the key to the on position, like so. Don't need to start it, crank it. Okay, on position. And we should see power on that pin. Okay, here we go. As you can see, I'm touching. I have a power. Okay, nice. Let's turn the key off. There we go. Keys off. If this video is helpful, educational, informational, put a thumbs up. Appreciated that. See, I'm touching the pin. Nothing. We don't have power. It means we have a power to the solenoid. Confirm what if you have power but still no start, but your tachometer is showing the signal. Maybe it's a foil. Maybe it's faulty coil inside the solenoid. Injectors are not firing. You have a problem on another side of the electrical circuit. ECU is controlling the fuel injectors, and it needs to know when to fire them. And in our case, we're missing our timing signal. Well, you have to get to that cam crank sensor. Appreciate it, your time watching. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Take care, and see you next one.